What if I told you that menopause doesn't actually start when your period stops? Hi, and welcome to Clarivive MedInsight, where we turn complex women's health into clear, useful advice. Today, we're talking about menopause, the reality, the myths, and how you can navigate it with confidence. Menopause is defined as the point when you haven't had a menstrual period for 12 consecutive months, not caused by pregnancy, illness, or medical treatment. It's a natural biological process, but the changes begin years before that date. Let's talk about the stages. 1. Perimenopause. Hormonal fluctuations begin, often in your 40s, but sometimes earlier. Periods may become irregular, and symptoms like hot flashes and mood changes appear. 2. Menopause. The official 12-month mark without periods. 3. Postmenopause. The years after menopause, when symptoms may continue, but risks like osteoporosis and heart disease become more important. So why it happens? Your ovaries gradually produce less estrogen and progesterone. These hormones regulate not only reproduction, but also bone density, heart health, brain function. When levels drop, multiple body systems feel the impact. Let's find the most common symptoms. Hot flashes and amp, night sweats, mood swings and amp, irritability, sleep disturbances, vaginal dryness and amp, discomfort, weight changes, thinning hair and dry skin. Not every woman has every symptom, but 75% experience at least some. What are the medical risks after menopause? With lower estrogen, there's an increased risk of osteoporosis, weaker bones, cardiovascular disease, memory changes, urogenital atrophy, changes in bladder and vaginal tissues. So, how can we treat it? Hormone replacement therapy, HRT, highly effective for symptom control, but must be weighed against risks like blood clots and certain cancers. Non-hormonal medications such as SSRIs, gabapentin, clonidine for hot flashes. Vaginal estrogen creams for dryness and discomfort. What lifestyle changes would help? Regular weight-bearing exercise, calcium and vitamin D intake, balanced diet rich in phytoestrogens, soy, flax seeds, stress management techniques, sleep management. What are the common myths about it? Myth: menopause always starts at 50. Fact: the average age is 51, but it can happen anywhere from 40 to 58. Myth: menopause means you lose all sexual desire. Fact: libido can change, but it doesn't have to disappear. Communication and treatment options exist. See your healthcare provider if you have. Heavy bleeding after menopause, symptoms that interfere with daily life, unexplained weight loss or pain. Let's wrap up. So, menopause doesn't start when your period stops. It starts with subtle hormonal changes years before. The earlier you understand them, the better you can prepare. In our next video, we'll cover osteoporosis in women and how to keep your bones strong and healthy after menopause. If you like this video, then share to someone who needs it. And tell us in comment about your experience with menopause. Stay informed, stay healthy. Thanks for watching, and see you tomorrow.